Is dermarolling working for me? I would say yes, because hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's milahgold here. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing my 5th session of dermarolling, and I decided to use this opportunity to show you guys how to dermaroll, like a full demonstration. This video is sponsored by Analuisa. Analuisa is a sustainable jewelry platform that provides high quality and durable ornaments at an affordable price. They sell everything from earrings to necklaces to rings. One thing I really love about this company is all their pieces are ethically sourced. Right now they're having a sale, a Valentine's Day sale. It is buy one get one 50% off. This is such a perfect way to gift your loved ones on Valentine's Day. So check out Analuisa today and check out their Valentine's Day sales, and I'm pretty sure that you guys will find something that you really love, whether it's a necklace or earring or a ring. Like, they have everything on that website. Thank you so much to Analuisa for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the demonstration. Before we get started, I'd like to introduce my 6-in-1 dermaroller kit. The reason why I really love this kit is because, number one, it has 6 different handles that give you like so many different options if you want to dermaroll. So I have so many different options depending on the area that I want to dermaroll. So right now I am obsessed, okay, with this one, and this is the 1.5 millimeter. And as you guys can see, versus the one that I have before, this is so much, this is almost like twice the size. This allows me to cover the area that I want to dermaroll at a quicker pace. You have the option to choose the 1.0. You can choose, I even have the 2.0. I get a lot of questions asking me like the size that would be better for stretch marks, and I think 1.5 is good enough because you don't want to hurt yourself. I'm not saying you can't go 2.0, but you need a numbing cream. So this is the 1.5. This is for the body. This is so much bigger. It has so much room to cover a large amount of space. Another thing that I really like about this kit is it has this compartment that you can put your alcohol, because I told you guys that I dip my dermaroller in alcohol and I just leave it on there, and when I'm ready to dermaroll, I could just, like, you know, get started. Like I said, you guys, we have so many different options. You have this brush that you can use to clean your dermaroller, because you do have to clean your dermaroller and you have to disinfect your dermaroller as well. So I will make a detailed video about this dermaroller kit, but for now I just wanted to introduce it to you guys. If you guys wanted to check it out, I will list all the details in the description box. It's on my website, milahgoldcollection.com. I'm gonna put it on sale, so if you guys wanted to purchase, it will be on sale. But this has been so helpful for me. Like, I don't have to like keep going and going and going. Like, it just allows me to get the job done quickly, right? And this is my 1.5. In this kit, you have the 1.5, you have the 0.5, you have the 0.25. I'll make a separate video talking about this kit specifically for you guys, but if you wanted to check it out, everything will be linked in the description box. All right, now we're gonna get started, and I'm gonna show you guys in details how I dermaroll. Okay, so I literally dip my dermaroller in alcohol. I let my dermaroller sit like this in the alcohol. You guys see what I'm talking about? Like, this kit is so helpful because it allows you to literally just dip your dermaroller like this and just allow it to sit for like 10 minutes before you get started on dermarolling. So this is why I love this kit so much. You guys know I've already put my alcohol in the kit, so I just put it in here for 10 minutes and I get it out. Okay, all right, and now we're ready to go. This is my arm. So you guys also wanted to see an update, and I know you guys say my hair is covering the other arms, so I don't know how it's translating on camera, but so far this arm is so much better. Sometimes you guys are not able to see my stretch marks very well, and that's because the lighting. My stretch marks are like my skin color, but the only issue I had with them was this: my stretch marks were like bumpy, so they had like texture to them, which made them visible. I was hoping that my dermaroller sessions would like flatten them out. So this is the side that I've been dermarolling. One thing I will say is this side has been less bumpy. It's still visible. My stretch marks are still visible, but they're not as visible as this side. I don't know how it's coming off on camera, but this side is a little bit more bumpy and it has a lot more texture than this side. So this is about 5 sessions of dermarolling. This is my results. I truly feel like this side is fading a lot more than this side. This side was the side that I didn't dermaroll. This side was the side that I dermarolled. The difference is not major, but it is, I see a difference. Okay, this is literally what I do. My dermaroller has been sitting in alcohol, so it's ready to go. You want to be careful, guys. Like, this dermaroller is sharp, so if you can't handle pain, you might need a numbing cream. But I'm gonna get started and I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I really love this one because I feel like this covers a majority of the area more than the other ones that I have before. So one thing I really like about this kit is if you were to purchase this individually, like one of this would be so much more expensive than if you purchase them in the kit. If you're looking for derma rollers to buy, I highly recommend this one because I would rather have like a lot of options in one kit. So this kit provides a lot of options. I think you guys can really get a lot of value for your buck with this kit because it has so many options. And I'm literally just going back and forth, and I told you guys I do like an X, so I go this way first. So I do one, you know, go this way, and then I go this way, and then I don't know if my skin is getting used to the pain, but it doesn't hurt as much as it used to before. So I do this for about 10 to 15 minutes. About 10 minutes now, and my arms are pretty red and it hurts a little bit, but it's not too bad. I'm kind of getting used to the pain. So so far I would say that my texture is looking a whole lot better. I take my vitamin E oil and this helps with hydration. A lot of people say that their skin gets dark. I haven't had any issues with my skin getting dark. It's healed quite nicely. Yeah, I just haven't had any issues with that. So this is pretty much the gist of it. I just use my vitamin E oil and I just wait till the next few weeks to see. So this is a side-by-side comparison you guys wanted to see. It's been 5 sessions that I've done right now, and is dermarolling working for me? I would say yes, because I've had my stretch marks for years and my bumps have just always been there. So if I wasn't dermarolling, I don't think my bumps would be fading out the way they are right now. But it's a slower process, I would say. It's a very slow process, so you have to be patient. This is what it looks like right now. If you guys wanted to check out the derma rollers that I mentioned, it will be in the description box. It's on sale right now, so if you wanted to grab that individually, you'll be spending more. So I advise that you get this kit because it has everything you need. If you want like the 0.5, you have that in the kit. If you want the 1.0, you have that in the kit. If you want the 1.5, that's in the kit. The 2.0 is also in the kit. I hope I was really like descriptive this time. My derma rolling sessions are pretty easy. Like, it's not a lot, it's not complicated. Like I just literally derma roll for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and finish with the vitamin E oil and come back to you guys, you know, in a couple weeks. But yeah, so that's pretty much the 5th session update, as well as my derma rolling session. I just want to say thank you guys so much for your love, comment, support, and feedback on my channel. I want to wish you guys every ounce of love, joy, happiness, and success, and I'll see you in my next video.